Hey guys, this is Dale. I'm gonna show you how to light one of these outdoor wood furnaces that a lot of people own these days. People think that you got to spend a lot of money on hardwood charcoal that you get from the hardware store or Home Depot or something, and they think that you have to purchase the propane fired torches to light these things, but they're actually quite simple if you want to invest just a little bit of time collecting some materials. First of all, I have my bag of pine cones here. Then on top of the pine cones, I will stack my split shavings from splitting on my wood. Then on top of that, I will put my pine kindling. Then on top of that, I will start to add some hardwood that I have on top of that. And as you can see in the furnace here, I have a on the bottom of each side I have a piece of pine, and then on top of each one I have a piece of hardwood. So I'm going to stack all of my pine cones in over the air induction tube there, the air injection tube there, and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Okay, we're back here. So as you can see, I have my pine cones, birch bark, and I have all my hardwood kindling, and then my pine kindling, and then I gradually go to hardwood. So the furnace, you can hear, is running and it's on. Fans blowing. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. And we're going to close the door. It's started. And we'll check it in a minute. As you can see, it's at 57 degrees, 0% burn efficiency for 10-15 minutes, and we're up to 66% efficiency, 63 degrees. And let's see what it looks like inside here. And it's really rocking. So we'll show you again in a bit. We've now been burning for about 40 minutes. As you can see, it's 101 degrees and 100% in the reaction chamber. So that means it's pretty much burning 100% of the wood. And as you can see, the chimney is coming out absolutely clear. So just a little bit of heat coming out of there, but I mean, it's pretty much burning most of the wood. And we can just confirm that if we look at the reaction chamber here. And as you can see, whoop, we got our nice fireball. Should show up here any minute. And that's what you got to have right there. It's 100%. So just a quick review here. We collected pine cones from out in the woods. I filled about 8 or 10 bags of pine cones. Probably won't use much of that this year. I collected my splitting slivers from the splitter, and I cut a birch tree down that was dead and took the obviously the wood and the bark from that to help start the fires, and alternately stacked on top of that pine cones, the birch bark, and then my wood shaving, my wood splints, and some pine and hardwood on top. And so it's going well, and that's pretty much how you do it. They're not very hard to light, and you can light them with stuff you just find out in the yard. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.